Fred Trump was an American businessman. He built houses and apartments in New York City. Fred was born in 1905. He started working with his mother, Elizabeth Trump, in 1923. Their company was called E. Trump and Son. They built many small houses for families in New York. In 1929, the Great Depression started. It was a very difficult time. Many people lost jobs, and businesses had big problems. Fred Trump stopped building houses because people had no money to buy them. But Fred did not give up. He opened a supermarket called Trump Market. This market was special because people served themselves. They could choose what they wanted to buy. It was something new at that time. Later, he sold the supermarket and went back to building houses. In the 1930s, Fred Trump found new opportunities. The American government started helping businesses to build homes again. Fred used this help and started building affordable apartments and houses for thousands of families. This was very good because many families needed good homes. Fred Trump did many good things. He built about 27,000 apartments and houses, helping many families live better. He used new ideas in building homes, making neighborhoods nicer and safer. However, Fred Trump also had some problems. In the 1970s, the government said Fred's company was unfair. They said he did not rent apartments to African American families. Fred's company had to promise to be fairer in the future. Fred also had trouble with taxes. He and his family used special ways to pay less tax. Many people did not like this because it was unfair. In 1927, Fred Trump was arrested at a demonstration by a group called the Ku Klux Klan. This made many people unhappy, even though there was no proof that Fred supported this group. Fred Trump died in 1999. His life had good parts and bad parts. He helped many people by building homes, but also faced problems and criticism. His story shows that life and business can be complicated.